Hey friends, if you wish to transfer files from one computer to another, obviously the easier method would be to simply copy it to a pen drive and then transfer files. But there are many other methods and I'll show you. Right click on the file and select share with. You can share with using WhatsApp, phone link, Outlook means email. You can share it using all of these options and there are more options as well. Okay. So this is one thing. Now, let us say that you have already opened a file, like I am working on a Word document and I wish to share and collaborate. Simply turn the switch on and make sure that it is saved on OneDrive. Okay. And after it is saved on OneDrive, you can share it. Okay. You can simply share it using this option here. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.